What's up, guys? This is Mr. Lifeless Stars back for another episode. Uh, this is gonna be a tutorial in Blender. So, I'm just gonna click on that. Alright. We'll click open. Make it big. Alright, click out of that. Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a text, a glowing text inside of Blender. Okay, so what you're going to do is press the delete key and delete this little square. Keep your cursor in the center. Alright, so come up here to add, and you're going to mesh and plane. Alright, now I want you to press S to scale, and then just have it grow until it's right about even with the plane. Oh. There we go. I'll come up here to add and go to text. Now what you're going to do is press R, X, 90. And if you don't know already, the middle mouse button is how you can turn your view a little bit. And if you press Shift, middle mouse button, you can pan your view. Alright, so we have this part. What we're going to need to do is go down here to edit mode. We're going to erase the text. And in this tutorial we're going to put Mr. Lifeless Stars. Come down here and select Object Mode. Grab this little red arrow and move to over a little bit. Okay, now this part's very important. Okay, so now we're going to press Shift S, come down to cursor to selected. Now this little cursor is right underneath our text. Okay, so now we're going to come up here to add and press text again. Then press R, X, 90. Edit mode. Now you're not going to see what I'm typing because we are typing the same thing that's already there. So if you can see, then you did it wrong. See, you cannot see where I'm typing because it's exactly what's already there. Okay. So now we can move this part out. As you can see, we have two texts. Alright. So, how do we get this thing to look 3D? Well, that's very simple. I'm gonna move that out a little bit right there. Come up here to the font tool. Now we're going to come down to extrude right here. We're going to type 0.01. Not good enough for you? 0.1. Right there. Just, it doesn't matter how much you put in it. I put 0.05. You can also add the depth. 0.03. Like that. Alright. So now we're going to come up here to the materials. And you can select for that. So select, come up here, select Cycles Render, come down to New, select Glass, come over here, we're going to do like a red. There we go. Now, we're going to make the roughness 0.2 because we don't want to see all the way through the glass. So now we're going to come over. Now we're going to come over, select this text, what's new, and come up here to emission. Come down, press 1.5 strength. And since we made this one red, we're going to make this one a light red. Now right click the plane, sorry. Alright, now press new, come up to mix shader. Alright, so shader none, we're going to select diffuse, and then we're going to make this green. Alright, and then this shader, we're going to select glossy, and we're simply going to drag this about midway. Now we are done with our stuff. We can move this text to where we will see it. Alright, so the light here, the emission is a light. So the light here needs to go through this glass. Alright, so we're going to move that to just so it's hard to see it. Alright. Oh, no wonder. I accidentally had the plane selected. I'm just gonna grab that and move it. So it's like right behind it. Alright, now this part is very important. Press 0 on the numpad. This is your camera view. If you took a picture right now, this is what it would look like. Okay. Now press N. N on the keyboard. Come over here to lock camera view. Now we can start moving this camera. we're gonna just middle mouse button. Then we're gonna, alright, I'm gonna go like this. And we'll hold shift in middle. And just go like that. Just go in here a little bit. Alright. Move it up. Alright. Okay, now we unlock the camera view. Press N. Make that go away again. Alright, now come up here to render. It's the picture tool of a camera. Right here, render. Now it takes a minute to load all of it. Alrighty. And just to let you guys know, I'll be making a lot of tutorials on Flash and as well as Unity and Blender in the near future. Alright, so you can probably tell right now, it looks decent, but the problem is, this background right here. See how it's just gray and dull? Kind of ruins our whole picture. Well, what we're going to do here is to get out of this screen, press escape. Come over here to the world, this world button. Okay, now come down here to color. Bring it all the way to black. Now our picture is going to look a lot nicer. Because we're in there. Now look. Like I said, you can change any of these colors. I'm just doing this for the tutorial. As it loads. But yeah, guys, be sure to leave your comments, like, and subscribe. I'm making a lot of how-to videos as well as gameplay. Alright, so yeah, even shadows. You can see even shadows because we made it glossy. It shows up on the table. And I don't know if y'all have any knowledge of this, but the video game Battlefield 3, most of the items were made in Blender. Just pointing that out. Alrighty guys, that's the end of this video. Tune in next time and be sure to keep up with the channel's videos. Alright.